Hi guys, today in this video I am going to show you how you can insert an image into a shape in Illustrator. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Adobe Illustrator. Once you open, you simply need to select any shape. So I'm going to add a rectangle here. Okay, so first shape is added, and now you simply need to click on this icon, that is draw inside, and here you can see that a border is added. Okay, and after that you simply need to click on file and click on place, and I'm going to select this image, and then you need to click the left mouse cursor once and image is added. So let me arrange the image size. So first you simply need to click on this selection tool, move that shape. So I want this part of the image. If you want, you can make image smaller by holding this like this. So this one is great, and once you select it, you simply need to click here two times, left mouse cursor, and here you can see that now you can see that an image is added into a shape. You can do that with different shapes. If you want, you can create your own shape as well. So this is the process by which you can insert an image into a shape in Illustrator. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.